Hello everybody. Today we are going to see the unboxing of Boditech. You can see this is Boditech Ichroma AMH test kit. You can see this here. Boditech Ichroma AMH test kit. Reference part number is CFPC-89. You can see the lot number is given here, and also the manufacturing date and the expiry date. Then you can see this is the 25 test kit pack. The CE IVD certified product. It's made in Korea. Just go through this here. If you can see the intended use, Ichroma AMH you can see the box. Now I can just go through this. Ichroma AMH is a fluorescent immunoassay for the quantitative determination of AMH, Anti-Müllerian Hormone, in human serum plasma. It is useful as an aid in management and monitoring of premature ovarian insufficiency, menopause, and ovarian reserve. The key box contents are 25 cartridges, 25 detector tube, 1 detector diluent, 1 ID chip, 1 IFU brochure. I just go around the box. The manufacturing, you can see that it's manufactured by Boditech Made in Corporation, Korea. The certification body is mentioned here. You can see the other side of the boxes. Okay, you got it. I'll just open this box for you. There you go. You can see inside the box. Inside the box, you have an IFU brochure. Let me open this IFU brochure for you. You can see it says Ichroma AMH. In this IFU brochure, you have all the key critical informations like the principles, the components, and the warnings and precautions, and the materials provided, and your sampling procedure, test setup, testing procedure, and how to interpret your results, and the quality control parameters, and how to analyze the performance characteristics. So you have the complete data and the guidelines to complete your test here. And further, if you go inside, you can see there's another pouch here. This says Ichroma AMH detector tube. There is a 25 numbers pouch. You can see this is how the pouch looks like. Okay, you got it. Okay, in this you can see the lot number and expiry date is mentioned. And then there is a detector diluent. Let me take this out. Okay, you can see this here. It says detector diluent, Ichroma AMH detector diluent. It has a lot number and also the expiry date mentioned in that. It can be stored in the room temperature. And then further going inside, you can see there is one ID chip which says AMH and lot number is mentioned. It's critical to use the same ID chip. So there are 25 cartridges here. You can see there are 25 cartridges. Let me take the cartridges here. You can see it says Ichroma AMH. Ichroma AMH. The lot number and the expiry date is mentioned here. Okay, we've seen the kit. So quickly to summarize here, today we've seen the unboxing of Boditech Ichroma AMH test kit. This is a 25 test kit pack. In the 25 test kit pack, you get one IFU brochure and 25 detector tubes and one detector diluent and 25 cartridges and one ID chip. This is how the total test kits looks like. There you go. Okay, thank you.